Students, today I will deliver on the lecture of Planck's radiation law. In previous lecture we have delivered the very important law, Liouville-Prexham law, Kirchhoff law, Stephenson law, Weiss displacement law. In the series of this one today I will discuss on Planck's radiation law, Planck का विकिरण नियम. How does it is differ from Planck's radiations? PR law, it is applicable for of all the lights here, but Planck's radiation law applicable for of black body radiation. He applied here black body. Planck's radiation law, it is the PRL, it is the intermediate law. PRL, it is the middle law, intermediate law, that is of Weiss displacement law, and that is of Rayleigh, that is of Jeans, that is of law. First one, second one, and that is of third, that is of PRL, that is the intermediate law. It can be derived from that is of Weiss displacement law, and that is of Argel law. And when a graph is plotted here, between that is of emission here, that is of emission, and that is of lambda maximum here, a curve obtained from here, that is of first one here, it shows that is of first, that is of Weiss displacement law. Third one, it has been derived here, it is the intermediate, that is of PRL, and that is of RJL, Rayleigh, that is of Jeans law. PRL, it can be derived here, Rayleigh Jeans law, that is here, Rayleigh Jeans law here. You know here that is of Rayleigh Jeans law, its mathematical equation, that is of du, that is of lambda is equals to dn, that is of lambda is equals to 8 pi k t upon that is of lambda 4. Here Weiss displacement law, that is of lambda maximum inversely 1 upon t. On increasing the value of t, lambda value of that is of decreases here. Similarly, RJL du lambda, dn lambda 8 pi k t upon lambda 4. Temperature and lambda both are that is of reciprocal here. So it is the intermediate form that is of Planck's radiation law. It can be derived here. इसको उत्पन्न किया जा सकता है वीन के विस्थापन नियम से और रेले जीन्स के नियम से. वीन का विस्थापन नियम पिछली बार हमने डिस्कस किया था पिछले लेक्चर्स में. विस डिस्प्लेसमेंट का जो नियम है, ल्यूवर-प्रेक्सम का जो नियम है, ये सिमिलर हैं. और रेले जीन्स लॉ ने जो है रेडिएशंस के जो इमिशन के बारे में जो बताया गया था, वो बताया गया था कि ये बंच के रूप में हीट का रेडिएशन का जो होता है वो इमिशन होता है. दीज वर द important laws of that is of black body radiation. Now we start furthermore we discuss here that is of heat capacity in that is of solids. We are going to start today that is of heat capacity in that is of solids. Heat capacity in solids, heat capacity in that is of solids, heat capacity in that is of solids. ठोसों में ऊष्मा धारिता, ठोसों में ऊष्मा धारिता ठोसों में ऊष्मा धारिता is solids we code here that is of heat capacity in that is of solids here. Generally heat capacity ऊष्मा धारिता. First of all, why the physical quantity heat capacity does occur in that is of solids here, as we know the three states of the matter do exist here: solid, liquid, solid, that is of liquid, and that is of vapor. Solid, liquid, and that is of we point here that is of heat capacity ऊष्मा धारिता. As we know that heat capacity, it is the fundamental property of that is of vapor or that is of gas, or that is of gas, for that is of real and that is of ideal, and that is of real gas. Here जनरली जो होता है ऊष्मा धारिता जो होती है गैसों का जो होता है वो मूलभूत गुणधर्म होता है. लेकिन क्वेश्चन इज नाउ हियर व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज हियर, और इज इट पॉसिबल टू प्रोड्यूस दैट सॉलिड्स आर आल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल, सॉलिड्स आर आल्सो रिसोर्सेज ऑफ दैट इज ऑफ हीट कैपेसिटी. very typical question here, that since we know that heat capacity is the fundamental property of that is of gases, कि ऊष्माधारिता जो होती है गैसों का मूलभूत गुणधर्म होती है. सवाल हमारे पास में ये उठता है कि क्या ठोसों में भी ऊष्माधारिता पाई जाती है. सीधा सा इसका जो आंसर है, द लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट हैज़ बीन एक्सप्लेन्ड बाय साइंटिफिक that is of parameters, by scientific measures, that we know that in that is of gases the value of two types Cp and that is of Cv. गैसों के लिए for gases for that is of ideal gas, Cp minus that is of Cv is equals to that is of Nr, where Cp is greater than that is of Cv. गैसों के लिए Cp का मान Cv से ज़्यादा होता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will define here that how will you define that is of heat capacity. To increase the temperature of 1 mole of gas to absorb the heat for any system is known as heat capacity. गैसों के 1 मोल के द्वारा उनका तापमान dt से बढ़ाने के लिए ग्रहण की गई जो ऊष्मा है उसको ऊष्माधारिता के रूप में परिभाषित करते हैं. ये 2 प्रकार की होती है गैसों के लिए, Cp एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर एंड हीट कैपेसिटी एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम दैट इज ऑफ Cv. हीट कैपेसिटी एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर, एब्जॉर्ब्ड हीट एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर, एब्जॉर्ब्ड हीट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम. एंड जनरली जाहिर सी बात है, ये क्लियर है, गैसों के लिए Cp माइनस Cv का रिलेशन ये होता है मेरे रिलेशन के द्वारा, और जहाँ पर Cp जो होता है वो Cv से बड़ा होता है. लेकिन साइंटिफिक सोर्सेस के द्वारा, वैज्ञानिक पैरामीटर्स के द्वारा, मेजर्स के द्वारा ये भी प्रेक्षित किया गया कि माना कि ऊष्माधारिता आदर्श गैसों का मूलभूत गुणधर्म होता है, लेकिन ड्यू टू वाइब्रेशनल डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम्स ऑल द सॉलिड्स कैन occupy, can survive, that is of heat capacity. It is happening due to that is of a degree of that is of vibrational degree of vibrational that is of degree of vibrational degree of that is of freedom. इसकी सहायता से कंपन की जो स्वतंत्रता की कोटि है, कंपन की जो स्वतंत्रता की कोटि होती है, ये स्वतंत्रता की कोटि जो है ठोसों में ऊष्माधारिता बॉन्ड करने के लिए, ओरिजिन करने के लिए जिम्मेदार होती है. द इन्वेंशन हैव बीन मेड, रिसर्च हैव बीन मेड बाय वेरियस साइंटिस्ट्स दैट इज ऑफ डुलोंग, पेटिट, डेबाई एंड दैट इज ऑफ आइंस्टीन. दिस फेमस साइंटिस्ट हैव डिस्कवर्ड दैट ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ vibrational degree of freedom, solids can survive, all the solids can occupy to have the heat capacity in that is of solids. The first research discovered by that is of Dulong and Pettit. I am writing here on that is of blackboard here. And first of all, since we have discussed here, for ideal gas Cp minus Cv is equals to that is of Nr, and Cp is greater than that is of Cv. But for solids, what are the quantitative relation for heat capacity at constant pressure and heat capacity at constant that is of volume? Nearby it has been scientifically measured, it have been proved that is of Cp is near about the value of that is of Cv. For that is of ideal gas, Cp is greater than Cv. For that is of ideal गैस, आदर्श गैस के लिए Cp का मान Cv से बड़ा होता है, लेकिन ठोसों के लिए Cp is greater than that is of Cp is near about of that is of equals to that is of Cv. Let us discuss what is the value of Cp and Cv for solids. That comes out, ये बराबर क्यों होते हैं? आदर्श गैसों में जो होता है इसका मान Cp का Cv से ज़्यादा क्यों होता है? First scientist, the discovery, the research, the first equation, according to that is of according to that is of first one scientist, that is of Dulong and that is of Pettit. Dulong and that is of Pettit, that is of Pettit. Dulong और Pettit के अनुसार Dulong and एवं that is of Pettit के अनुसार एवं Pettit, the famous scientist who discovered about the physical quantity of heat capacity in that is of solids. They also enhance further stated here. The value of Cp will be nearly about of Cv. It occupies its present due to that is of degree of vibrational. Let us consider here that is of any molecule here in three-dimensional abscissa ordinate and that is of z direction. We consider here that is of any molecule that is of M1, that is of M1, that is of molecule here. We are going to prove here the value of Cp and Cv for solids become is equals to same. According to these scientists Dulong and that is of Pettit, according to Dulong and that is of Pettit, the degree of freedom in x direction, y direction and z direction, x direction, y direction and z direction is in the form of vibration to have the value of that is of half kt, that is of half kt vibration in x direction. Similarly, that is of half kt, that is of in y direction, and that is of half kt in that is of z directions. To produce the total energy is kinetic energy plus potential energy. One value one can express here, that is of E total energy, that is of E total is equals to thrice by kinetic energy plus that is of potential energy. Its value that is of 3/2 kT plus 3/2 that is of kT, that is of 6 that is of kT. Heat capacity is solids that is of Cp that is of 6 kT divisible by that is of 2 that is of thrice kT, where K denotes here as that is of Boltzmann constant here, and its value that is of gas constant divisible by that is of Avogadro number, that is of 3 into R upon N into that is of T, and that is of or differentiation here that is of Cp is equals to C by definition. by definition of that is of heat capacity that is of capacity by definition det upon that is of dt is equals to that is of 3r upon n by definition. So according to Dulong or Pettit, the value that would be calculated here in the form of vibration degree of freedom, कंपन की स्वतंत्रता की कोटि ठोसों में ऊष्माधारिता के लिए बराबर जिम्मेदार होती है। एक्स दिशा, वाई दिशा और जेड दिशा तीनों दिशाओं में 1/2 kT के हिसाब से काइनेटिक एनर्जी 3/2 kT होगा। काइनेटिक एनर्जी 3/2 kT होगा। पोटेंशियल एनर्जी जो होगा वो 3/2 kT होगा। दोनों का एचसीएफ 6 kT/2 होगा। और डेफिनेशन जो सीपी और सीवी की जो कहना चाहती है, टू इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ dt ऑफ एनी गैस द रिक्वायर्ड हीट, इट इज़ नोन एज हीट कैपेसिटी, that is this becomes due to vibration degree of freedom, Cp is equals to Cv is equals to 3/r. Another one, next one, scientist, that is of d by, according to these were the mathematical value calculated by that is of Cp and Cv, Dulong and Pettit, and then next one that is of according to that is of de Broglie, according to that is of de Broglie's, the Cv will be is equals to that is of Cv is equals to 464.5 upon T upon theta, that is of meter cube. Various parameters, various scientific sources. De Broglie including some partial role of that is of de Broglie, partial role of that is of d by that is of calorie, that is of mole inverse that is of atom that is of inverse. These were the second scientists who calculate the value of heat capacity in solids by various scientific parameters. Next part we will deliver it, that is of tomorrow. Thank you very much.